Good morning, friends. For our skill enhancement course, BA third year, up to this, I have sent you some videos, some handouts, certain notes, certain online videos. It was an effort to reach to you. We have discussed critical and lateral thinking and how these skills are important while living a day to day life. Our second point to discuss is civic skills and social responsibilities. What are the civic skills? Why one needs it? What are our social responsibilities? These things we will discuss. We live in a democratic nation. Today is our 74th Independence Day. We have heard the enthusiastic address of our Prime Minister, who continuously stress on Atmanirbhar Bharat. Friends, as a responsible citizen of India, we must pose certain civic skills while living in a democratic nation. Every citizen must know the structure, fundamental structure of government, and how the government passes the laws. एका लोकशाही प्रधान देशाचे नागरिक म्हणून जगत असताना काही गोष्टींचं मूलभूत ज्ञान असणं अतिशय आवश्यक आहे. की आपल्या सरकारची रचना कशी आहे, कशा पद्धतीने या देशामध्ये कायदे बनवले जातात, एक बेसिक संरचना कशी आहे, त्यामध्ये आपल्याला सहभागी होता येतं का, होता येत असेल तर कशा स्वरूपाने. You see, our democratic structure, or in other words, decentralization power spreads from Delhi to our village. This is a long chain through power works. Apart from the knowledge of this basic structure, every citizen must know what are his individual and collective rights. Unless you know what are your rights, you cannot enjoy it. साधी गोष्ट आहे की आम्हाला आमचे अधिकारच माहीत नाहीत, तर त्या अधिकारांचा उपभोग आम्ही कशा पद्धतीने घेऊ शकतो. अतिशय महत्त्वाचे अधिकार आपल्याला आपल्या राज्यघटनेने दिलेले आहेत. बट these rights are not absolute. For example, rights of or right to speak has been given to us. बोलण्याचा, आपलं मत व्यक्त करण्याचा अधिकार तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे. याचा अर्थ तुम्ही काहीही नाही बोलू शकत म्हणून हे अधिकार ॲब्सोल्यूट नाही आहेत. हे अधिकार काही बंधनं घेऊन येतात. आपण या देशाचे सुजाण नागरिक आहात. तुम्हाला एक करंट उदाहरण मी देऊ इच्छितो की प्रशांत भूषण नावाचे सुप्रीम कोर्टातले एक वकील आहेत आणि त्यांनी ट्विटरवर काही आक्षेपार्ह अशा पोस्ट टाकल्या होत्या. परवाच सुप्रीम कोर्टाने त्यांना या संदर्भात दोषी ठरवलेलं आहे. कदाचित त्यांना कारावासही होऊ शकतो. Hence, while understanding our own rights, we should be little but careful about such limitations, and we should be express ourselves within the boundaries. That is important. In a democratic country, citizens play an important role, because if the citizens will not use their rights, government will be controlless. नागरिकांनी अधिकारच नाही वापरले तर सरकार निरंकुश होऊ शकतं. म्हणून नागरिकांनी आपले इंडिव्हिज्युअल आणि कलेक्टिव्ह राईट्स, वैयक्तिक आणि सामूहिक अधिकार काय आहेत याबद्दल जागरूक राहिलं पाहिजे. अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. मग कोणते सिव्हिक स्किल्स आपल्याकडे असावेत? व्हॉट आर द इम्पॉर्टंट सिव्हिक स्किल्स? आय टोल्ड यू that competencies, that is abilities. कुठल्या ॲबिलिटीज आपल्याकडे असाव्यात, कुठले स्किल्स आपल्याकडे असावेत? सो फर्स्ट इज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. You should be able to communicate with large number of publics. We know that most of our students, they comes from villages and hamlets, and most of the peoples, most of the inhabitant of that village doesn't pay more attention towards these democratic rights. They are busy in their fight against bread and butter. It's true. This is our reality. But being an educated one, being a graduate one, this is our duty to make them aware of their rights. For that, you must have communication skill. Then skill of organization, organizing peoples, organizing public events. At the same time, you must have ability with communication, organization, comprehension. These abilities are must for civic engagement. Civic engagement. As a human being, we cannot live alone. We have to live in a human society. and hence we have to play various roles within family, outside the family, in the society, outside the society, in the nation, or on international level also. While engaging ourselves in social cause, social issues, that is called social engagement or civic engagement. These skills helps us a lot. Friends, in the next video we will discuss our fundamental rights as well as fundamental duties also, because these are the two sides of a coin. Happy independence to all. Thank you.